Hello, thanks for watching. Today we're going to fix a USB stick that is not showing the proper size. In this case, this disk here is supposed to be an 8 gig disk, and if you go down to format and you look at the capacity, it doesn't let you increase this at all. It doesn't matter what file system you select and or format, it just does not show the complete. And in this case, it shows it's unable to complete the format, so the disk also appears to be damaged and or corrupted. So to fix this, we're going to go right into an elevated privileged command prompt or PowerShell. So run as admin. Once you're in command prompt or PowerShell, as an administrator, we're going to run the program that's called diskpart. Diskpart has built into basically all versions of Windows, and we're going to be using this to fix this problem. Once diskpart loads, we're going to list all of your disks. In this case, my disk that we're going to fix is disk number 6. So we have to select that. So you're going to select whatever disk in question that you have the problem with. Mine is disk 6. Then we're going to issue the clean command. The clean command will delete the partition table on the disk itself, and then we're going to create a new partition table here. The command is create partition primary. Once this is created, then we can actually format the USB drive here. We're going to do a quick format, and we're going to use the ntfs file system. You can also add a label if you wish. So you just be like label, and we'll call this Nick's USB drive. You've got to have the quotes around it. It should only take a few seconds for that complete, and we're done. You can see that it now shows the full 8 gigs it's supposed to. If yours does not have a letter assigned to it, a drive letter, then you can assign it. So we'll say assign letter, whatever letter you want. Let's try K. And you can see that it finished and it changed to K. And it's that simple. To exit, simply type exit. Thank you for watching. The commands are posted below, and if you have any questions, please list them in the comments below. Thank you.